Hi guys, my name is and I'm a postpartum fitness influencer, and I am here to talk about an amazing product from Gynoveda, the Women's Daily Detox. Before I tell you a little about this amazing product, I'm going to tell you a little quick story. So I have a friend of mine who is a big time fitness enthusiast. I happened to meet her a month and a half ago, and I saw this pack of bottle on her dresser. On asking her about the product, she told me it was a part of her not to miss nighttime routine. The pack of pills was from Gynoveda, the Women's Daily Detox, which has amazing effect. It's an Ayurvedic anti-junk pill. This is how the bottle looks like. It comes in a pack of 6 months, 3 months and 1 month. The night pill works when you're asleep. So you take 2 pills at bedtime. Let me begin by telling you the benefits of the Women's Daily Detox. But before that, I have to tell you that the Women's Daily Detox does not contain any chemicals or preservatives of the modern times. It is FDA approved, gynac tested, 100% natural and has clinically researched Ayurvedic herbs. It is made for women's health and wellness. It helps in full body detox to flush out all the toxins from the body. It helps the uterus detox for heavy periods. It purifies blood to prevent lifestyle illnesses. It clears dead cells for glowing skin and acts as an anti-acidity and controls bloating. You can consume the pill lifelong. It is 100% plant-based and works just like consuming the right kind of food and nutrition. So go ahead and give it a try.